In this section, we will look at mechanisms provided by astropy to model and fit data. The modeling package from astropy represents a framework to represent models and perform model evaluation and fitting. Currently, the package supports 1D and 2D models and includes methods to fit data with parameters constraints. It is designed to be extensible and flexible. Models do not reference fitting algorithms explicitly. New fitting algorithms may be added without changing the existing models. However, not all models can be used with all fitting algorithms due to constraints such as model linearity. The aim of astropy.modeling is to provide a rich toolset of models and fitters so that most users will not need to define new model classes nor special-purpose fitting routines. It defines a number of models that are collected under a single namespace as astropy.modeling.models. So for an example, let's import the models module. This can be done using from astropy.modeling import models. Models behave like parametrized functions. If we instantiate the Gaussian 1D constructor like so, by having a look at the return model instance, we can see that its different parameters correspond to those that we passed as input. Just like other classes, model parameters can be accessed as attributes and be modified via those attributes as well. For instance, we can access the amplitude, mean, or standard deviation by doing g dot and the parameter. Similarly, we can set the parameter doing dot parameter equals a specific value, which will then set the value to that parameter. Models can be evaluated by calling them as functions. As this example demonstrates, in general, most models evaluate array-like inputs according to the standard NumPy broadcasting rules for arrays. Models can therefore already be useful to evaluate common functions independently of the fitting features of the package. To proceed with a working example, we will use two different models, namely Gaussian 1D and trapezoid 1D, and we will use as fitter the Levenberg-Macquart algorithm and least square statistics to fit some data. Using NumPy, we can generate a 2D distribution, namely x and y here. Next, we will fit the data using two different models. The first model is a box model, or the trapezoid 1D. We first instantiate the model using some initial parameters, the amplitude, x0, width, and slope. And finally, we call the fitting function while passing both the model and the data. We repeat the process for the Gaussian model as well, noting that a model requires a different set of parameters. Once this is done, we can plot both the original data and the resulting models. And here it is. With just a few lines of code, we managed to both fit our data with two different models.